Alrighty guys, so I just recently got a new phone, so hopefully everything looks better, but I have been in the process of cleaning my room and purging my room because it's just terrible and it's awful. I hated it, and I just got rid of my bed and I'm gonna be getting a new one, so hopefully that'll look better. Fingers crossed. Alrighty, so I'm gonna show you guys what the progress is in my room, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so basically my room, it pretty much is looking like that. This is for another video, so is that. I cleaned my whiteboard. Oh, it's a little close. Let's try, never mind, I can't zoom out. Okay, so basically this is the state of my room. Everything is up against these two walls, pretty much. I am still trying to find a way to hang up my Mothra poster right here. So, yeah, I'm hoping that that will go on that wall when I'm finished. I hope I don't have to live here long, though. So, yeah, that's pretty much my room so far, and I'll also give you an update when it's all finished, or mostly way through. We'll see what happens.